வெல்கம் பேக் டு டிபி வெப்ரோ. நான் உங்கள் டிகே. நெட் எக்ஸாம் சிலபஸ் படி லிட்டரி தியரி அண்ட் கிரிட்டிசிசம் பார்ட் 2 பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அதில் 51 வேர்ட்ஸ் ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணியாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் 51 வேர்ட்ஸை வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 51. Who said, let Homer's works by your delight, read them by day and read them by night? Option A, Pope. Option B, Horace. Option C, Addison. Option D, Dryden. Correct answer is option A, Pope. Question number 52. Who said, even good Homer notes at times? Option A, Pope. Option B, Horace. Option C, Addison. Option D, Dryden. Correct answer is option B, Horace. Question number 53. Who said that Shakespeare has no heroes but only human beings? Option A, Pope. Option B, Dr. Johnson. Option C, Arnold. Option D, Ben Jonson. Correct answer is option B, Dr. Johnson. Question number 54. Who considers Coleridge head and shoulder about every other English critic? Option A, Arthur Symons. Option B, Arnold. Option C, Herbert Reed. Option D, Wordsworth. Correct answer is option C, Herbert Reed. Question number 55. Who is of the view that poetry divorced from morality is a valueless? Option A, Wordsworth. Option B, Shelley. Option C, Eliot. Option D, Arnold. Correct answer is option A, Wordsworth. Question number 56. Who said, one may be a poet without versifying and a versifier without poetry? Option A, Wordsworth. Option B, Shelley. Option C, Eliot. Option D, Arnold. இதுக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்னு நீங்கள் கெஸ் பண்ணீங்க? ஆப்ஷன் பி இஸ் a correct answer, Shelley. Question number 57. Who propounds the touchstone method? Option A, Wordsworth. Option B, Shelley. Option C, Eliot. Option D, Arnold. Correct answer is option D, Arnold. Question number 58. Walter Pater's Marius the Epicurean appeared in the year. Option A, 1850. Option B, 1873. Option C, 1885. Option D, 1890. Correct answer is option C, 1885. Question number 59. What does Aristotle mean by perfectia? Option A, recognition of truth. Option B, reversal of intention. Option C, change in fortune. Option D, pity and fear. Correct answer is option B, reversal of intention. Question number 60. Aristotle's Poetics was written about the year. Option A, 347 BC. Option B, 330 BC. Option C, 322 BC. Option D, 372 BC. Correct answer is option B, 330 BC. Question number 61. Which book has been called by Wharton the first book or system of criticism in our language? Option A, Poetics. Option B, Ars Poetica. Option C, On the Sublime. Option D, Art of Rhetoric. Correct answer is option D, Art of Rhetoric. Question number 62. Wilson's Art of Rhetoric came out in the year. Option A, 1560. Option B, 1553. Option C, 1570. Option D, 1578. Correct answer is option B, 1553. Question number 63. Who called Dryden the father of English criticism? Option A, Dr. Johnson. Option B, D.S. Eliot. Option C, Arnold. Option D, Wordsworth. நீங்கள் இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு என்ன கெஸ் பண்ணீங்க? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Johnson. Question number 64. Who is not a contemporary critic of John Dryden? Option A, Ben Jonson. Option B, Thomas Rhyme. Option C, John Dennis. Option D, Jeremy Collier. Correct answer is option A, Penn Johnson. Question number 65. To whom Dr. Johnson had been unjust in his lives? Option A, Milton. Option B, Dryden. Option C, Savage. Option D, Pope. Correct answer is option A, Milton. Question number 66. Who made a critical appreciation of Milton's Paradise Lost and the Ballad of Cheviches? Option A, Eliot. Option B, Arnold. Option C, Dr. Johnson. Option D, Addison. Correct answer is option D, Addison. Question number 67. Johnson's observation on the tragedy of Macbeth appeared in option A 1760, option B 1765, option C 1781, option D 1791. Correct answer is option B 1765. Question number 68. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief was coined by option A Eliot, option B Arnold, option C Wordsworth, option D Coleridge. Correct answer is option D Coleridge. 68th question, very important, so don't forget to the answer. Question number 69. In which chapter of Biographia Literaria is this phrase mentioned? Option A 14, option B 20, option C 19, option D 21. Correct answer is option A 14. Question number 70. Who thinks that the origin of poetry is in emotion reflected in tranquility? Option A Wordsworth, option B Shelley, option C Coleridge, option D Arnold. Correct answer is option A Wordsworth. Question number 71. Who is of the view that nature's world is a brazen? The poet delivers a golden age. Option A Shelley, option B Sidney, option C Wordsworth, option D Arnold. Correct answer is option B Sidney. Question number 72. Who according to Arnold is the unique poet of the Augustan age? Option A Pope, option B Dryden, option C Gray, option D Goldsmith. Correct answer is option C Gray. Question number 73. Who said that Arnold's flight or short flights or circular flights? Option A T.S. Eliot, option B F.R. Lewis, option C Hudson, option D none. Correct answer is option A T.S. Eliot. Question number 74. Which one of the following is an ideal play of Aristotle? Option A Everyman, option B Oedipus Tyrannus, option C Alcestis, option D Medea. Correct answer is option B Oedipus Tyrannus. Question number 75. Who calls Ars Poetica an art of poetry written without art? Option A Sainsbury, option B Eliot, option C I.A. Richards, option D Scaliger. Correct answer is option D Scaliger. Question number 76. On which of the following Sidney's The Apology for Poetry was not based? Option A Scaliger, option B Aristotle, option C Minturno, option D Castelvetto. Option B is the correct answer, Aristotle. Question number 77. Who calls the poet the right popular philosopher? Option A Stephen Gossen, option B Sidney, option C Plutarch, option D Plato. Correct answer is option C Plutarch. Question number 78. Whose aim was to vindicate the honor of our English writers from the censure of those who unjustly prefer the French before them? Option A Pope, option B Dryden, option C Arnold, option D Coleridge. Correct answer is option B Dryden. Question number 79. Thomas Rimus's critical work Tragedies of the Lost Age came out in the year option A 1675, option B 1678, option C 1680, option D 1688. Correct answer is option B 1678. Question number 80. A short view of tragedy is a critical work by option A Dryden, option B Remy, option C Tennis, option D Collier. நீங்கள் இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு எந்த ஆன்சர் கெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க? கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் பி Remy. Question number 81. Coleridge's Biographia Literaria came out in the year option A 1797, option B 1808, option C 1817, option D 1834. Correct answer is option C 1817. Question number 82. Which chapters of Biographia Literaria are devoted to the study of Wordsworthy? Option A 10 to 14, option B 1 to 13, option C 5 to 16, option D 14 to 22. Correct answer is option D 14 to 22. Question number 83. Who said poetry sets no tears such as angels weep but natural and human tears? Option A Coleridge, option B Wordsworth, option C Pope, option D Arnold. Correct answer is option B Wordsworth. Question number 84. Lyrical ballads was joint adventure of option A Coleridge and Wordsworth, option B Keats and Wordsworth, option C Shelley and Keats, option D Coleridge and Keats. Correct answer is option A Coleridge and Wordsworth. Question number 85. Who is generally known as the great gainsayer of English criticism, the most inconsistent and professional of non-conformists? Option A Arnold, option B Ruskin, option C Pope, option D Dr. Johnson. Correct answer is option A Arnold. Question number 86. On whom Arnold did not write an essay? Option A Thomas Gray, option B Keats and Shelley, option C Wordsworth, option D Scott. Correct answer is option D Scott. Question number 87. Who among the following believes that great art has something of the soul of humanity? Option A Pater, option B Penn Johnson, option C T.S. Eliot, option D Gray. Correct answer is option A Pater. Question number 88. Who chose humble and rustic life as the themes of the poetry? Option A Wordsworth, option B Penn Johnson, option C Pater, option D Gray. Correct answer is option A Wordsworth. Question number 89. Aristotle's Poetics Hamartia means option A reversal of intention, option B recognition of truth, option C missing the mark, option D emotional outlet. Correct answer is option C missing the mark. Question number 90. Who among the following does not belong to the Augustan era? Option A Virgil, option B Ovid, option C Horace, option D Aristotle. Correct answer is option D Aristotle. Question number 91. Which is the first systematic attempt to introduce classical meter into English poetry? Option A Harvey's Letters, option B Webster's Discourse of English Poetry, option C both A and B, option D none. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 92. Which one of the following works of Dryden is a preface to his translation of Juvenal's satires? Option A Essay on Satire, option B Essay on Heroic Tragedy, option C Essay on Fables, option D none. Correct answer is option A Essay on Satire. Question number 93. Who is considered as inaugurator of descriptive criticism? Option A Penn Johnson, option B Longinus, option C Horace, option D Dryden. Correct answer is option D Dryden. Question number 94. How many poets were included in Johnson's Lives of Poets? Option A 52, option B 48, option C 50, option D 42. Correct answer is option A 52. Question number 95. Who said if poetry instructs, it does not only through pleasure? Option A Dr. Johnson, option B Ben Jonson, option C Wordsworth, option D Coleridge. Correct answer is option D Coleridge. Question number 96. Which one is not a characteristic of romantic criticism? Option A impressionistic, option B individualistic, option C creativity, option D complexity. Correct answer is option D complexity. Question number 97. Who said honest criticism and sensitive appreciation are directed not upon the poet but upon the poetry? Option A I.A. Richards, option B R.S. Grain, option C T.S. Eliot, option D M. Arnold. Correct answer is option C T.S. Eliot. Question number 98. Who wrote the book Sexual Politics? Option A Mary Ellman, option B Elaine Showalter, option C Kate Millett, option D Sandra Gilbert. Correct answer is option C Kate Millett. Question number 99. Who developed the semiotic version of Freud psychoanalysis? Option A Jacques Lacan, option B Norman Holland, option C David Pleach, option D I.A. Richards. Correct answer is option A Jacques Lacan. Question number 100. Who coined the term New Historicalism? Option A Stephen Greenblatt, option B Louis Montrose, option C Brooke Thomas, option D Clifford Geertz. Correct answer is option A Stephen Greenblatt. Today literary theory and criticism part 2 finished. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களோட ஒப்பீனியனை கமெண்டில் தட்டி விடுங்க, உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிடுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் என்னோடய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கீழே இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை தட்டி விடுங்க. நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனில் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்குது. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங் மை சேனல்.